Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for an amazing way to be able to do dips along with your power cage, then you have to check out these dip bar attachments from SYL Fitness. I got these for my husband because he is a workout fanatic and he loves how easy these are to install and to move around. Once you have them in place, all you need to do is move the pin and you can move these up and down the frame in order to get whatever height you want. My husband has a 2x2 power cage, but SYL Fitness also has 3x3 if that's the size that you need. I appreciated how comfortable the handles are. They have a rubber coating on them that makes your grip really secure, and it isn't hard on your hands to be able to grip them and to be able to do your exercises. These are so versatile for many different types of exercises. You can use them for more than just dips. My husband does Australian pull-ups, push-ups, and lots of different things with them. I was even able to attach some resistance bands because I'm a little on the weak side, and that enabled me to do some dips as well. So I really appreciate that I can do that too. These are really great dip bar attachments. My husband loves them, and that's our point of view.